Come test drive this 2012 Ford E250. With fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value as a pre-owned model. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Ford infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, traction control, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.